Are you looking for the best battery table fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best battery table fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YOSHENMO Turbo Table Fan with Digital Display. The YOSHENMO Turbo Fan is a great choice for anyone looking for quiet, powerful cooling. Thanks to its advanced noise reduction technology, it operates whisper quietly, so you can use it while napping, working, or relaxing without distraction. Its strong motor and smart AI chip deliver fast, effective airflow, helping you cool down quickly. The fan's wide 105 degrees tilt lets you adjust the breeze exactly where you want it. Plus, it cools you off in just 3 seconds and has a rechargeable battery that lasts for hours, making it perfect for use anywhere, even without a power outlet. What we like: whisper quiet operation, powerful airflow with AI chip, adjustable 105 degrees tilt angle, quick cooling in 3 seconds, rechargeable battery. Number 2. BESKAR USB Powered Clip-On Fan. The BESKAR USB Powered Clip-On Fan is a 6-inch portable fan with a sturdy clamp, 3 speeds for strong airflow, and low noise. It has a strong grip clamp that can be easily clipped onto any surface, a space-saving design, and is powered by USB. It can rotate 360 degrees and comes with an 18-month warranty. The fan is suitable for personal use in the bedroom, study, office, and more. What we like: strong airflow, quiet operation, sturdy clip design, compact and portable, versatile power options. Number 3. KIMMOO Rechargeable USB Desk Fan. The KIMMOO Quiet Desk Fan offers a peaceful breeze with its ultra-quiet operation, running at just 35 dB on the lowest setting, so you can relax or work without distractions. Its turbo wind technology boosts airflow power by 200%, quickly cooling your space for instant comfort. You can fine-tune the airflow with 100 speed levels, allowing you to choose anything from a gentle breeze to a strong gust to match your preference. Plus, the LED digital display keeps you informed by showing the current fan speed and battery life, making control simple and convenient. What we like: ultra-quiet operation, turbo wind technology, 100 speed settings, LED digital display. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Jobsite Fan, DCE 512B. Stay cool on the job with the DEWALT Jobsite Fan. With a powerful upgraded motor, this fan can provide up to 650 CFM. It is IP54 rated, making it resistant to dust and water. This fan provides multiple hanging options, including freestanding, hang hooks, and wall mount. The wide-range, variable speed control allows you to adjust the airflow to your liking. With up to 4.5 hours of runtime on max airspeed using a DEWALT 5.0Ah battery, this fan is perfect for those long workdays. The DEWALT Jobsite Fan is an essential tool for anyone working in hot and stuffy environments. What we like: powerful motor, IP54 rated, multiple hanging options. Number 5. Cooperwin 6.8-inch Portable Rechargeable Travel Fan. The Cooperwin Travel Fan gives you full control over airflow with its easy-to-use dial that lets you pick from 100 different speed settings. This means you can find the perfect breeze, whether you need a strong wind to stay alert at work or a gentle flow to help you sleep. It runs quietly, keeping noise below 30 dB, so it won't disturb your focus or rest. Plus, its lightweight and slim design make it super easy to carry around, fitting neatly into your bag for trips or daily use. The fan's head can tilt up to 180 degrees, allowing you to direct the airflow exactly where you want it, and its stable base ensures it won't tip over during use. What we like: adjustable airflow control, quiet operation under 30 dB, lightweight and compact, 180 degrees adjustable head, stable triangular base.